So hi everyone, I am Ashwini Kumar Bhargav, and in this video I am going to discuss about a very basic and a very short video that is on what is pi. Everyone knows about that. Everyone use pi in our day-to-day problem solving. Whatever thing like what is the area of circle, that is pi r square. What is the perimeter of circle, that is 2 pi r, pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h, 2 pi r l, pi d, many things. But nobody knows what's the significance of pi. How the we remember the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. But how it came, nobody knows. Is it real value of pi, or is it incorrect? Nobody knows. So in this video, we are going to discuss, we are going to see something. What's the pi? What's the value of pi? And is it strictly 22 by 7, or something greater than or some lesser than 22 by 7? We are going to see this thing, okay? And my name is Ashwani Kumar Bhargav, as everyone knows about that. And next slide, that is part of the circles, parts of the circles. I guess everyone have idea about that. If you are in class 7th also, you have idea about that. What's kind of part in our circles, in a circle actually, okay? So there is a dotted part. That's first I want to start from center, okay? So there is one point, dark point is there, that is center of the circle, okay? And diameter is nothing but this thing that made the both side of circumference, that is called diameter, and radius is nothing but the half of the diameter. We can say radius is means diameter is nothing but 2 times of radius, okay? So and there is some dotted lines there, that is including some retained part of circumference, that every this curvy part, this circle, that is circumference actually, okay? So here definition of the pi is given. Pi is the relationship between circle size and its boundary. What's the, if we formulate this thing, that is pi is equals to perimeter divided by diameter of the circles. Perimeter is nothing but the circumference, and circumference is nothing but, for circle, that is 2 pi r. And diameter, let's suppose the diameter of the circle is d, okay? And then perimeter is 2 pi r. If radius is r, then our perimeter is 2 pi r divided by d, if we formulate the pi, okay? And we know, if we write 2 pi r is like that, 2r into pi divided by d, pi equals to 2r into pi divided by d. That 2r, everyone knows about that. If 2r equals to d, then our formula is pi d divided by d. D to d cancel out, then remaining part is pi, okay? That one is the pi, okay? And no matter how big or small the circle is, this ratio always stay the same, okay? This is a very basic thing. It's not tough. If you read once, definitely you can understand. And if you have any doubt in this section, you can ask to me via DM or my email ID, okay? So let's move next part, that is the unrolling experiment. Unrolling experiment, that is, imagine taking the boundary. Boundary means what? Perimeter. Boundary means what? Boundary of the circle is what? Perimeter. Boundary of any square is what? The perimeter of the square. The boundary of any rectangle is what? That is the perimeter of the any rectangles, okay? So there is imagine taking the boundary of a circle and stretching it out into a straight line. Basically, if you want to say, like, this is our perimeter. If we stretch out in a straight line, okay, and after stretching in a straight line, and if we compare the length of that straight line, stretched straight line, with the diameter of the circle, and if we measure this to diameter, that is equals to 3 times of diameter plus some spaces left. I understand. I want to say, if we stretch the perimeter into straight line, and if we compare the length of that stretched straight line to the diameter of the circle, that is equals to 3 times diameter of the circle plus some part, some teeny part, okay? And after that, now take that's whatever I told to you, that is written here. Now take the diameter of that small circle and see how many times it fit into that line. And if we talk about the result of that, that is, it fits 3 full times with a little bit left over, okay? That is 3 full time of diameter plus some part is missing, okay? Means this, if we fold the diameter, then first this come here to here. Here I fold to diameter, and first time whatever I done, then everything is written, okay? So here, if we fold the diameter, first diameter is come like here, second is here, third is here, and I started from here. This thing is remaining, this remaining part. Okay, so I have to measure that part also. What's the length of that part? Okay, so measuring the leftover part. Okay, early mathematician tried to measure that teeny remaining piece using fraction of the diameter. Okay, and they tested for 1 by 6 means diameter by 6, diameter by 8, diameter by 7, diameter by 1, diameter by 2, diameter by 3, and all. And they found if they tested for 1 by 6, that is too big, the line would be too long. And if they tested, not if they tested, they tested actually, they tested for 1 by 8, so that is too small, the line would not reach the end. Okay, and what they found the gap was less than 1 by 7 of a diameter and greater than 1 by 8. If they took the value 1 by 7, it means diameter by 7, the length, the remaining part, the leftover part is less than that length. Okay, and if they took 1 by 8 means diameter up by 8 for the leftover part, then they found the leftover part is greater than, the length of the leftover part is greater than that 1 by 8 means diameter by 8. Okay, and after doing all the things, it's applicable for any circle, whatever, if they are small or bigger, and anything, any circle, that's applicable for that. Okay, and they discovered, like, because the perimeter is slightly less than 3 full diameter plus 1 by 7, they conclude 1 by 7 as a result. That's not actual value, that's approximation 1 by 7, but actually in actual ways that is greater than, that is lesser than 1 by 7 and greater than 1 by 8. That leftover part is less than 1 by 7 and greater than 1 by 8. 1 means nothing but the diameter. Okay, diameter by 7 and diameter by 8. Okay, and uh, if we put the value of the whole diameter thing, okay, whole perimeter, the perimeter of the circle value in terms of diameter, and if we put the value in this equation, this our formula, then it will come like perimeter. Instead of perimeter is nothing but 3 full diameter plus 1 by 7, it's d by 7 of remaining part length. Okay, and after that we will get the value of 3 plus 1 by 7, 7 3 are 20, 21 plus 1, that is 22 by 7. But it's not equals to 22 by 7, its pi is lesser than 22 by 7. Okay, pi is lesser than 22 by 7, and the actual range of pi, if someone asked to you what's the length about what's the length of what's the range of, sorry, not length, what's the range of pi, that's the value is 3 plus 1 by 8 to 3 plus 1 by 7. Okay, and this is why 22 by 7 is our favorite shortcut. Okay, it's just a teeny bit larger than the real pi. Okay, but very easy to use, and that's our main focus. Everyone knows about that, pi equals to 22 by 7, but it's not real, it's not actual. Okay, in actual form, the pi is less than 22 by 7, it's not equals to 22 by 7. Okay, and thank you all. If you have any doubt and if you have any queries, you can ask me with the help of any of my contact sources, whatever thing, like my phone number or my email. And okay, thank you all.